Rainforest Cafe.
What? There's nothing else I can eat.
What were you gonna get before that?
I wanted the Blue Mountain chicken sandwich, but
Just tell them no peppers that you're allergic to.
yeah, but it has a zesty safari.
Is it strong?
I'm just freaking amazing.
Oh! Whoa!
Yeah, give me that back. Remember how you had not on the little?
Ooh. That was yummy.
That was very
Put
yummy.
that up in the bathroom if I get there.
Give it to her.
What are you eating? Did you figure it out yet? Smile, please. He's like... This actually sounds pretty good right
I don't like zucchini and I don't like squash. So there's the end
I
of
was
that.
trying. I'm trying to help you.
Your big ass head out the way.
How are we gonna get chicken tenders and cheese sticks?
I'm gonna get the portobello wrap. That sounds the safest way to me. Not to you because you don't like mushrooms, but this one hasn't even looked at the menu yet because he's busy playing with his camera. Uh-oh, is that a wine?
No.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Did you figure anything out yet?
What you eat?
I'm just gonna get this because there's not meat in it.
That's what we eat.
That's what we're eating?
No. I'm gonna have the chicken tenders with. Huh?
No.
Chicken tenders with barbecue sauce.
Awesome.
Oh wait, it comes with barbecue sauce and ranch dressing.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
And then can I have cheese sticks?
Awesome. And what for your sides?
What side do you want?
It's in the middle at the bottom, but it's either fries, coleslaw, mashed potatoes, potato chips,
Fries.
and vegetables.
Fries and chips. And chips.
You want chips? You want fries and chips? You want fries.
Perfect. Leave that on a side of chips.
Oh.
Thank you. Get that ready for you.
Get your ass on from the table. What's that, a margarita?
No, it's
No,
it's so good.
it's yummy.
It's yummy. What is it called?
Like a peach something.
A peach something? You don't know what it's called?
No, I can't
Wasn't
remember.
like a peach pale?
Are you drinking something you don't know the name of?
Yep, pretty much.
It's amazing, but you can't.
You sure?
yummy.
You sure it ain't no pill in there?
Oh well.
A date rape?
Oh well.
Oh well,
Give
huh?
it to me. Give it to me.
No, back off.
Go out
You
with a
could've bought-
bang.
or
I
You
don't
could have
really
gotten
want
one.
It's Sunday. I don't care.
So how you feel today?
You're stupid. Yes, you do.
Hey, so how you feel today?
He's
How-
talking to you.
How was your
Oh.
weekend?
It was good.
It was good? How what good how?
It was amazing.
Amazing how what made it amazing?
You're amazing.
I'm amazing. How am I amazing?
Get the camera out of my face now.
How am I amazing?
You're just amazing.
You're making her blush.
Yeah. You hear that? I'm amazing. I'm fucking amazing.
Do you want me to hold on to that?
I got it.
Pretty sure you heard you're fucking amazing at about 3:30 this morning.
Still trying to figure out what. Okay. So what was going on at 3:30 this morning?
Premarital sex. Lots of it.
Premarital sex? Lots of it?
Lots.
Okay. Was it good?
Yup.
It was good, just good?
It was probably the best sex of my life. Not probably, it was.
It was? Okay.
You can get off of me now.
No,
So,
let's hear about your night.
Yeah, let's hear about your night. How was that?
It was good.
It was good, just good? Average?
It was good.
Was
On
it
a
the
scale of
best
1 to
or was
10,
it
what was
top 10?
7.
Oh, 7?
7 or 6.5, 7.
Have you ever had a 10?
Have I ever had a 10?
Yeah.
Once, yes.
110?
The Cowboys?
Was it? Yeah.
I've seen the picture of the Cowboys.
What all y'all do?
No.
What all y'all do?
Who?
You in
the
the
cowboy or you mean your brother?
you in the 10?
Me and the team? Uh-huh. Lots of things.
Oh yeah? Don't be shy.
I'm not shy, but
This
there's
ain't going
children
nowhere.
behind me and I'm loud as hell.
Go ahead. Fuck them kids.
Yes? Nathaniel?
So was last night the first time you ever squirted?
Oh my god, seriously, did you just say that on your
I
phone?
just said that on my phone.
Yes, it was. I can answer that one.
What'd you say? It was?
It was.
Okay. How did it feel?
I'm done with your interview.
How did it feel?
I'm done with your interview.
Just tell me how it feels.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Anything else, Mr. Blunt?
No, I had it all over my hands.
Oh my god. Seriously, do you have to put that shit on your phone? You're erasing it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm in Rainforest Cafe. We ain't doing shit today. We about to eat and we chilling. It's 2:40. 2:48. And we just chilling, looking around at the fishes.
I just bought a $60 dress.
Waiting on King Kong to move.
I don't think he's gonna move.
Waiting on him
He said
to
he's gonna move when the animals go.
move.
He didn't move last time.
No.
His head moved. He went.
Oh, did he?
Looking at the ladies walking around that work here. Now you say you bought a $60 dress today?
Yeah. That I'll probably never wear.
You gonna
unless
wear
I'm
it?
here.
It's about to get hot.
Do you want me to wear that to the prison?
No.
Because that's where I'm going to be when it's hot. Unless I'm
No, you're gonna be off. It's gonna be an off day, a weekend you're gonna have, you can wear it. With no panties. Or bra. Just that. And some heels. Oh my god, that'll be so sexy.
Are you guys? Can I get some ranch, please? Some ranch, yeah. Want some?
That's so bad. Are they even cooked?
That one takes 4 minutes to make a cheese stick.
How do you know that?
What's these cheese sticks? Just plain cheese? Oh, yeah. They go King Kong right there.
There's monkeys swinging from
Thank you.
Well,
I don't camp.
King Kong.
Why?
I I don't camp.
Why? We can get like air mattresses.
Hell no. I don't camp on air mattresses. I don't camp.
Why? Because you're too prissy.
Really? You just called me prissy?
You play in the mud.
Yeah, that's the only time that I'm too prissy is when it comes to camping. Fucking hate camping. Unless I'm in a camper.
Unless you stay in a camper.
Are you seriously videotaping me while I eat? Really? Thank you so much.
Are you seriously videotaping me while I'm eating?
Cheese
Might
stick.
want to go down.
Go down? Right there?
There you go. That you can see up your nose now. It's wonderful.
Oh, right. See my face now?
Yeah, I can see your face.
Okay, cool.
Do you want to cheese stick my love? Aw, haha, good, you didn't videotape that.
Really?
Huh?
No, he missed it. He was too busy videotaping the waitress.
I saw that.
She gave me her number already. Would you believe me if I told you that?